and welcome to the Raven House. Come on in. This is the Raven House, a 260 square foot tiny home located at 10 Mile Point on Manitoulin Island. It has a simple footprint with just a bedroom, bathroom, kitchenette, and living room. Let's take a tour, shall we? Starting off inside, the bedroom has to be one of the most beautiful I've ever seen in a tiny home, and it might be because of this killer view. You face east, which means that the sun rises right outside this window. The bed is super comfortable and has some storage drawers underneath it, and there are privacy shades on each window and a little shelf to put your phone or glasses. This cabin is not off the grid, so you have all the electricity and running water. The hosts, Laura and Blair, left out some towels and some local soap. They've also left some goodies in the kitchen, which I'll show you in a second. The bathroom is also super tiny, but it has everything you need, like a little tiny sink, tiny mirror, a tiny shower, and a regular sized toilet. So you've seen the bedroom, you've seen the bathroom. Let's go check out the living room and kitchen. Follow me. This is the living room and kitchenette. The couch converts into a bed, and there's even a folding table on the wall. The kitchenette has a kettle, coffee maker, 2-burner stove, pots and pans, and everything else you need for a short stay. But I think that the best feature of this entire place is the view. The back part of the house faces east over the La Cloche Mountains and gets the best sunrises. And I admit, the sunsets are pretty awesome too, since the horizon lights up from the setting sun. This tiny home can hold 2 guests, but 10 Mile Point Accommodations does have 3 other larger cabins available. They're all located on the same property, but there's lots of privacy between the houses. That's it for this tiny house tour and Raven House. I was so sad to leave it. You can find out more about this Airbnb in the link down below. In the next video, I'll be bringing you along on the last leg of my Manitoulin trip. Until then, cue the photos. Live here all the time.